Hi guys, I'm telling you how to cast on. There are many ways to cast on, but I'm going to tell you three ways of how to cast on. So we have to double the thread like this and make a loop like this. Just twist it and make a loop like this. Just put the needle in and just put your two fingers in this thumb and finger just like this. Hold the thread like this, see, and put the two fingers in between the two threads. And now you will twist the needle like this. Twist the thumb here and then bring the thread from here and then from the finger and bring back to the thumb like this. This is the same like this. Just keep doing like this. Just take one from here, bring thread from there and then go back from the thumb like this. And this way you can put as many as you want, as many stitches as you want. Just keep doing like this. You can make 50, 60, 100, as many as you want. So this is one way of putting the stitch on, casting the stitches on. Like this. And there is another way. Again we will make the loop, just leaving behind a small tail, just like this, and hold the thread like this and just twist it and make a loop like this here, and put the needle in, and with this hand, with the right hand, just like this, and hold the thread here and twist it again. Put the thread here, pull it, make one more, put thread here, hold it, and then put the thread here. This is very easy. Even the beginners can do. See? This way you can put as many stitches as you want. See? It is same the one before I did. It is same like this. And you don't have to worry for the big tail because you already left the small one. So keep doing like this. Just roll it on your finger and then twist it once more and then put it on the needle. It is so easy. So now I will tell you the third way of putting the stitches on. So again you will leave a small tail here and make a loop and put this needle in, and with the other needle you will make stitches here like this. Knit one and put it on the left needle like this. Take it out and then make another one like this here and put it on the other needle, and again keep doing like this. You can do as many as you want. Just keep doing like that. This is the very easy way of putting the stitches on. Just keep doing like this, as many stitches as you want, like maybe 60 or 80 or 100, as many you want. Here. So these are the 3 ways of casting on. I hope you will like this. Please follow my page, like them and share them. Thank you.